Hello friends. Today we will review about Maserati Gran Turismo car. Maserati launched 3 new car models in India: Maserati Gran Turismo, Maserati Quattroporte and Maserati Gran Cabrio. These cars are well affixed with various features, falling in a price range of between 1.2 rupees to 1.5 rupees crore. The supercars from Maserati is capable to give tough fight to other super luxury cars like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Audi etc. in this world's second largest Indian auto market. The super luxury Maserati Gran Turismo is packed with a 4.2L engine that produces maximum power of 405 brake horsepower at 7,100 rpm and top torque of 460 Nm, 47 kgm, at 4,750 rpm, and the car has jet speed of 178 miles per hour. Meanwhile, dimensional of the car are 4,881 mm, 2,056 mm, and 1,353 mm, which make it superb in the segment. Specification of Maserati Gran Turismo: Array mileage 10.0 kmpl. Fuel type petrol. Engine displacement 4,691 cubic centimeters. No of cylinder 8. Max power 460 bhp at 7,000 rpm. Max torque 520 Nm at 4750 rpm. Seating capacity 4. Transmission type automatic. Boot space 260 liters. Fuel tank capacity 86 liters. Body type coupe. Ground clearance unladen 100 mm. Maserati Gran Turismo car is available in 13 different colors: carbon black, lava gray, yellow, blue, Italian racing red, magma red, granite gray, stone gray, black, Fuji white, ink blue metallic, gray. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.